Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a slow performance issue after update on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to open up File Explorer and go to this PC, local disk C, Windows folder, find software distribution folder. Just delete whatever in here. If anything is not deletable, then select escape. After doing this, just to close stuff here and second step, go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Click on open it. Check mark all the boxes listed over here and select the OK option and select delete files option. And the disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. Third step, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Go to startup apps. You just need to disable unnecessary application that is starting up with your PC. Please make sure you do not disable the graphics, Wi-Fi, security and audio. Just do it for unnecessary applications. After that, just to close stuff here. Fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to type sfc space slash scan now and press enter. You just need to wait for this scan to get 100% complete. After getting this done, just close stuff here. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.